Ngibonge Dinangwe, ngibonge Khuzeni, ngibingelele umongameli nabahambisana naye nesekela likamongameli. Ngikhuleke enkosini yakamthetho Nyambosa nesizwe sonke sabathetho. Thina bakwaButhelezi silana siholwa inkosi yethu, inkosi uZuzifa Buthelezi nenduna zonke ahamba nazo. Ngibingelele nomafungwase wakwaphinda ngene udadewethu uPhumzile. Sengizo recognize a protocol which was established by uKhuzeni. Ngamshiye undunankulu wesifunda Mphemba, siyabonga ukuthi usemukele. Sibonile wehla wenyuka ubheke lapha kwaphoqa ukhalo. On Monday, the 29th of February, around 2300 hours, PDCW phoned us reporting that Nathi had not returned home and his mobile phone was off, and said that was very uncharacteristic of him. Indeed it was. The following day, the 30th, the news that Ambassador Nathi Mthethwa was no more was confirmed. From that day, Phili's world was turned upside down. As I said today, we should be grateful to Nathi to leave an indelible mark in this world. His entire life was about other people. He served the people of this country until the last day. He died with his boots on. We want to thank everyone, his comrades, colleagues, and literally all of you for making Nathi who he was. Allow me, program directors, to thank the President of South Africa for reaching out to PDCW the very first day on which the tragedy occurred. He also reached out to Ubaba Mthethwa eBakhalela. Nami wangithinta umongameli engikhalela ngokushiya umkhwenyana wethu. Uma sikhuluma nomongameli wathi kimi uhulumeni waseNingizimu Afrika uzokwenza konke okusemandleni ukusizana nomndeni ukubuyisa uNathi. Wasebusisa uhambo lwami lwaphesheya. Lokho kwenzekile, amashenge noNyambose bayabonga. We thank the Deputy President Paul Mashatile and his family for the comforting calls to PDCW in the hour of need. We also thank Moses Tembe, Mzala, nezinyane lesilo abehla benyuka noPhilisiwe ngoba isimo sakhe besingesihle. The Minister of DECO, Honorable Lamula, his deputy Alvin Potes, DECO staff in general, and in particular Ambassador Modlomo, Dr. Mchwaha, and the embassy staff for the humane way they dealt with us in the hour of need when trying to repatriate the mortal remains of PDCW's husband, Ambassador Mthethwa. We thank the leadership of different political parties, ministers and deputy ministers who visited KwaPhoqa uKhalo, that Nathi's residence. The NEC and PTT of the ANC led by Comrade Fikile Mbalula, the Secretary General of the ANC and Comrade Jeff Hadebe, respectively, the organization that Nathi lived for. Throughout our stay in Paris, working through the labyrinth of laws and regulations in France, there are patriots who were checking us on a daily basis, which included Dr. Matthew Sposa, Comrade Siboniso Duma, Comrade Gloria Serobe, uSindi Koyane waziwayifikela nabanye abaningi. Siyabonga nikwenze nakwabanye. Inkosi yakithi umntwana uZuzifa Buthelezi nomafungwase wakwaphinda ngene, umntwana uPhumzile nesizwe sonke saButhelezi nabo bazifikele emagcekeni akaMthethwa lapho bendisa khona udade wabo bezokhalela odingiswayo. Sibonge nenkosi yoNyambose. I would particularly like to thank the Premier of our province, Honorable Tamintuli, who also led the executive committee to KwaMthethwa. Siyazibongela Mphemba nikwenze nakwabanye. ikomiti lika-ANC wesifunda ebelungisela umsebenzi omkhulu liholwa uComrade Nhlakanipho Ntombela lenze omkhulu umsebenzi lulungisela lolu suku. Ngibonge futhi umfowethu uSiboniso Duma nabebambisene nabo kuhulumeni ukuthi lolu suku lube yilento esikhona. Siyabonga Mthembeni. You would have realized that all what I'm doing today is just to thank you, because that has been very important what you did to us in the past 2 weeks. What happened in these 2 weeks define Nathi. Nathi loved our people unconditionally, irrespective of a political party they belonged to. He understood that what ties us together is more than the different colors of our organizations. He understood that to successfully defeat hunger, poverty, unemployment, and inequality, we need a united people. Together we are stronger. If we want to pay tribute to this son of the soil, we have to close the ranks, especially those of us who represent the poorest of the poor, the economically marginalized, the destitute, and those who are landless. Nathi was no longer a brother-in-law to the Buthelezis. He was their son, their brother, and their uncle. From the time they tied the knot at Ali Blue in French Hook, these two became inseparable lovebirds. They lived a dream life. They enjoyed the company of each other as if there was no tomorrow. Siyazibongela Nyambosi ngokusiphathela iqanda likababa noMashandu. Nawe waqhubeka waliphatha ngobunono kwaze kwaba sekugcineni. Nami mfowethu ungishiye nesikhulu isizungu. I was reminiscing about our stay in Cape Town, thinking about our tomato sauce and our mayonnaise. Ngiyakuzwa mfethu usuthi code wesheng I guess he's sticking a mayonnaise and tomato sauce. He loved his mayonnaise and I loved my tomato sauce. Unfortunately, Philisiwe and Thandeka, my wife, did not allow us to eat them. But when we were in Cape Town, we were low unto ourselves. Miss you, my brother, my comrade. Already, I know wherever you are, we are still fighting for our total liberation. Bringing back Nathi was not easy. The fluence of your wife, Philisiwe, the recipient, the fluence of your wife, Philisiwe in French, the recipient of the order, Chevalier de Legion d'Honneur, which was bestowed to Philisiwe by the president of France, President Hollande, really helped us. You can imagine how it feels to go around without understanding what is happening. So I realized there that not understanding each other's one's language doesn't mean that one is illiterate. Because that's what we usually do when people can't speak English. We say, abafundanga. Ngizibonile nami lapho ukuthi hey kunzima. I must thank Professor Otinqumalo Nomamchichi for having allowed or told their son to join me as I was going to Paris. Your Excellency, President Ramaphosa, I'm happy to report that the mission you gave us, the mission to repatriate the remains of this patriot, Emmanuel Nathi Mthethwa, so that he can be united with his forefathers, be united with his heroes, Shaka, Sekhukhune, Oliver Tambo, Harry Gwala, Nelson Mandela, has been accomplished. He landed in South Africa on Friday, the 10th of October. Unfortunately, he came back in a casket that buried people like Napoleon Bonaparte and other generals in France. This is a general. So when she said she likes this, and after having listened to the history, what people have said here does indicate to us that indeed Comrade Nathi was a general. Ngiyabonga.
Oliver Tambo ba bisandla sa Oliver Tambo ba esandla sa Oliver Tambo ba besandla sa Oliver Tambo ba Jose bambo ngasiyekele bambesa ebunzimene ba esandla sami hambe esandla sa Oliver Tambo